Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by deciding what sound you actually need and where it's allowed. You check the YouTube audio library or a CC0/CC BY source and immediately verify commercial use permissions. Once done, download the original file and record the exact file name, license text, and any required attribution. Make sure to note bitrate and sample rate so the audio won't be flagged for quality mismatches. Then prepare a short metadata note you'll paste into your short's description to prove permission if needed. Now you edit and tailor the audio to the short. Open a simple DAW, set project to 48K HZ and match the source sample rate, normalize to a safe loudness level, and add short fades to avoid pops. Once edited, export with a high bitrate and check the waveform for artifacts. If the track is CC BY, paste the exact attribution line into your clip's description before uploading. Finally, keep a copy of the license text and the original download timestamp for records. You upload the short and immediately add the license text and attribution into the description, plus a link to the audio source name. Once processing finishes, check YouTube Studio for music policies or content ID matches. If a claim appears, act fast. Gather the downloaded license, timestamps, and the creator's terms, then file a dispute or replace the track using YouTube's editing tools. If the dispute fails, remove audio and reupload with a verified royalty-free or purchased license. This is your key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.